Very nice. Big box. Looks good. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Awesome, man. Yeah, hey, could you tell me your name? What's in here?
Marquis.
Marquis? Okay.
I follow all your YouTube stuff, man.
I do a lot of YouTube videos.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Could you tell me your equipment, name, everything in here?
I got 4 Watt 15 Punishes.
Okay.
I got a Gamma 7K.
Okay.
4 10s, PRVs on a Terra 3K.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Did you build the box?
Yeah, I built a box.
Nice. I'll have to see the port afterward.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks good though. Tuned low. Definitely plays the lows.
Yeah, they're definitely
very
low
nice.
lows.
What do you wire to on the amp?
Oh, one.
One of them?
Yeah, it's a 2-on Banda though, so but I mean it does it though.
Yep. Hey, can I see the back? Very nice. Big box. Looks good.
Yeah. That's my first time doing it.
And you got some space between the hatch, so that gives you the output around. That makes sense. So you're not squeezing it. Looks good. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we got in Marquis System. He was showcasing at the Summer Showcase Show in Jacksonville, Florida area. Go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already. Did a really good job. And it's a pretty loud Suburban. Lots of room, back seats, and some room in the back. I didn't really get a full walk around on the amplifier close-up view, so sorry about that. But I like the unique style of his port. Maybe could have been a bigger port area, but he got it to work for 4 15-inch subs to get this loud. The box is a lot bigger than it looks in the picture and video, but I didn't find out the exact cubic space of it, but I could tell it was playing into the mid to 20 hertz range really well during the demo. And if you notice how the subwoofers are up, port back, most optimal for SUV systems for anybody looking at ideas. So having your subwoofers mounted like this and your port back is great. Port area is a little bit on the small side. Probably could have opened it up a little bit or done a bottom slot port. And having the subwoofer box line right at the window line helps with SPL competition. But this is a total of 7,000 watts on 15-inch subs. We're getting to the base demo now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell on and enjoy daily videos. Awesome.
It does.
All right. Yeah, I love it.
My baby mama. You gotta keep on kill if you wanna be the sick. You gotta go on the trip and we sit shots at the net. I gotta keep on the bed and we press the nerve for the bed. If you see that CIA, you'll see the headshots in the bed. On the bed. Honest, shots in the bed.
Bullshit off my hit the block today. We skipped played it yesterday and camera rolling off today. In the concrete on the block. Thought I show my face.
Feel like tumblers on the moon, it's all you I'm not so cool. How many waving guns up on the internet? Boy, that ain't used to know. We ripped that murder guy and terror looking like a
to the hill right out the jacuzzi, Nick to the shower. Walking in the family, smoking elbows in the owl. Big shawty for president. I told y'all that the world was out. Nigga causing beef with me, 3 people here, he grabbed the
I be on my fourth when I'm my body, get the bumpy drug. I've been trying to keep it coming on.
You gotta get to a kill. If you wanna be the set, you gotta go on the trip. Ever since I said the nigga, hey, I gotta keep on your bed. Refresh to learn from the bed. If you see that C8 in your city, it's shots in the bed. You know it's shots out the bed. I need some shots in the bed. You gotta get to a kill. If you wanna be the set, you gotta go on the trip. And we see shots at the nigga. Hey, I gotta keep on your back. Refresh to learn from the bed. If you see that C8 in your city, it's shots in the bed. Concrete on out, I show my face. Sometimes I don't need a reason.
Thank you for the demo, man. Thank you for the demo. Thanks for watching, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.